Okay guys, so before this video starts, I would just like to say, very sorry for not uploading. I have been sick. Second off, the room I make my videos in is getting renovated, so the audio is not as good today. So sorry about those things, but I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll be hoping to post more soon. Peace. So, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today we're gonna be leveling up our CHAR. Okay guys, so I have CHAR. He's probably one of the rarest dragons in the game. Today we're just gonna be battling in the epic subspace. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, first up, we got a Frostfang.
Irrelevant.
Let's use Volcanon.
12 seconds later.
Okay guys, first problem correct.
Bruh.
And you missed! We won our first battle! And we leveled up! Let's go! Okay guys, battle number 2. Oh, we got heal. We got bonus stars. More heal. Let's go. We're full health. We'll use fire spell. Let's go! Again! Another correct answer. Okay, is he gonna do...
LOL.
How is he doing so much damage?
That's a lot of damage.
Come on, can we take him out in this hit? Volcanon? Another correct answer. Please. Can we take him out? Let's go! Get out of here! Let's go. If we get him out, we're good. Come on, please. Let's go. Get out of here, Bashbot.
12 seconds later.
Oh, we just lost. We literally just lost to a Badabash. Bro, I'm done. I'm done.